birthday to my mama. You don't look a day over 35.
Thank you.
She is so young at heart, so we are celebrating her special day today. So I helped my dad put a little birthday party together with some fun little decorations and some yummy food and a nice birthday cake. And today is all about the Baking Diva.
Oh.
So stay tuned for a fun video.
Oh, thank you, Dawn.
You're welcome.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, this is an exciting day for me. My birthday was actually on March 30th.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Dawn, but because it was during the week, they decided to have a little birthday party for me today, that's Sunday. And my hubby, the cameraman, and my daughter put this whole thing together. Beautiful decorations. We'll take some pictures of them in a little while. I'll insert some photos of the family and the food. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. And I will see you later. Toodles!
Look at the pretty flowers I got here. Oh, and the table's all decorated. Very nice. These were from my daughter and grandsons and Jason. And look at this. I'm not going to be able to get it all because of the light. But oh, look, my chandelier in the dining room has all fruits in it, but Dawn hung all these little decorations around it. And let me just go over here. She's got balloons. She came over early to decorate the house. There's, let me see, balloons over here, and they put up a happy birthday sign for me. So pretty soon everyone will be here and the festivities will begin. Look, more flowers. So pretty. Dawn's in-laws, Jerry and Phyllis, just brought me this beautiful basket of flowers. Looks so pretty on the table.
Before I get to the videos, I thought I'd share some family photos with you. Here I am with my hubby, Tim, aka the cameraman. I love this photo of my husband, my daughter Dawn, moi, and my son Scott. Here I am with Dawn, who helped my hubby plan the party. Here's my grandson Aaron. He's going to be 16 in May and getting his driver's permit. Get off the roads, everyone! Here I am with my son Scott. His birthday is April 5th. Here I am with my grandsons Kyle and Lucas. They're Scott's sons. I'm pictured here with my oldest grandson Jake, who's in his first year of college. Here I am with my BFF Kathy. Can you believe we've been friends for over 40 years? Here's Kyle with his girlfriend Jenna. Here's Aaron with his Nana, Phyllis. Here's my son-in-law, Jason, getting ready to party. Aaron's pictured with his other grandparents, Jerry and Phyllis. Coming up, some video highlights of the party.
Oh, here's my other grandson Kyle and his girlfriend Jenna. They just arrived for the festivities. Are you hungry?
Yes.
All right, well, we'll be eating in a little while. Now, Jen is a dancer. Jenna. See, I saw that look on Kyle's face. Her name is Jenna, and I'm the only one that calls her Jen. And they don't like it. They correct me. It's Jenna. Well, doesn't anybody ever call you Jen?
Sometimes.
See, well, Kyle, why are you not in the picture with Jenna?
I'm looking at Brownie.
Get over here. What, are you shy all of a sudden?
No.
All right.
Looking at Brownie.
All right. Well, anyway, they are here now. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't tell me. How'd your game go?
We tied 1-1.
Oh, did you make the goal?
No.
Kyle is going to be going to William Patterson University in the fall, and he's going to play on the soccer team, right, Kyle?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
That's good. Jenna, have you made up your mind yet?
No.
Not yet, but you're probably going somewhere in Connecticut, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All righty, well, we'll catch you later. Bye. Look how pretty. Kyle's girlfriend Jenna and her family sent me a beautiful orchid. It says on it, don't give it water, just give me ice. So pretty. Thank you, Jenna and family.
Okay, here I am, the birthday girl with my BFF, Kathy. Kathy, happy birthday,
Dolores.
Dolores. How many years have we been friends?
Oh, long time.
Like a long time. Is it what? Could it be
30?
40? No,
About 40.
About 40
How old
years.
is Scott? 50?
Yeah, Scott's birthday's on Tuesday. He's gonna be 51.
Wow.
And
Oh,
Dawn's
boy.
birthday's in May. She's gonna be 50.
Oh,
We're
big
getting
5-0.
old. We're turning into two old farts.
They're catching up to us, right?
Yeah. Oh, look at the gnome. Kathy gave this to me for my birthday. She came over the other day. My actual birthday was on the 30th. And the nose lights up. Isn't that cute? It says
Yes.
happy birthday on the balloon.
love this. I said, well,
Isn't
she
that
likes
cute?
gnomes, so.
I know. Well, I'm glad we're all together here.
Right.
Yes. We're going to celebrate. We're going to have some yummy food
Yummy
and some
food.
cake.
Cake.
And we'll see you
Did
later.
the diva make it? No.
No,
Not for your
Diva
birthday.
has a rule. Diva has a rule. A friend of mine asked me that, and she said, "Did you bake your cake?" I said, "That's my rule, right, Dawn? I never bake my own birthday cake.
no.
Never, never, never."
No.
Bye.
Bye.
Here's my little light up gnome that my girlfriend Kathy and her husband Bob gave me. It says, happy birthday on the balloon. Isn't that cute?
I know.
Who sees that?
Oh, hi, Tim.
But I
Oh, he's got his mayor's collar shirt on. That's where he went to school. Oh, I guess Dawn's... Are you bartending now, Dawn? Yes, Dawn's
There's
bartending.
Lucas right there.
Kathy and Bob.
But I know
Oh, there's the cameraman behind the bar with Jason,
Could be a young one though.
Yeah.
and Dawn, and
Because
Papu.
young ones are.
They're all having a few little snacks before we have dinner.
Our guy's a character.
Did it get any bigger?
I had nothing to do with this party at all. I said, if they want to surprise me and have something at my house, I don't want to take care of it. So they ordered food, but the people delivered it an hour early. And we didn't order the sternos because they weren't supposed to. So, oh well, I'm sure it'll taste good anyway. Everybody's hungry. And Dawn is unveiling the food. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look at that cold antipasto. Doesn't that look good? And here's
It's warm. It's not hot.
penne. No, this is what? Oh, this is penne vodka, the vodka sauce. We have a little bread and butter here. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, the meatballs. Oh, good party planners they are. Look at that. And what's in that last one? Let's see.
What is this?
I have a feeling it's chicken. Let's see. Here's another spoon here. Oh, look at that.
They make the best chicken franchise.
Chicken franchise. Oh, that looks good. Let me zoom in on that. Look at all those lemons on there. Yummy. I think everybody's hungry now. I want to serve the food before they all fill up on the hors d'oeuvres downstairs. You hungry, Dawn?
I am.
Okay. Everybody's digging into the food. Kyle's hungry after his soccer game. There's Kathy over there. Bob. There's Jenna. Lucas. Dawn. Scott. Looks good.
Oh, I like this.
You allowed to eat before a game? You got a pot car up?
Here's Jason.
So you're eating beer?
Oh my goodness, look at all this that Bob brought Lucas. Oh my, these are what, Lucas, in this box?
Micro minerals.
What are they?
Micro minerals.
Micro minerals. And what's in here?
We're supposed to get.
All different kinds. And look at these. Oh my God, Lucas. Where are you going to put them?
Like that.
We're going to have to get another, like some kind of storage shelf for you to organize all of these rocks and minerals. Plus what you have in your room. Oh my goodness. Did you say thank you to Bob?
Yeah.
You happy? Did you expect all these? No. Big surprise, right? Yeah.
Here's Brownie.
Very nice.
Hey, Brownie. Let's do dinner.
I'm in the back porch, the enclosed back porch, and the boys are having a Pacman competition. It's Donkey Kong, actually. These are Scott's machines. Let me see. We have Pacman over here. And over here we have NBA Jam. When Scott moved in, the games and the dog came with him. There's Jen and Kyle. I don't know. Jen, did you get a turn yet?
Yes.
Oh, you did? How did you do?
Not good.
Not good.
2 days later.
Yeah.
There they are. Woo!
My birthday, my
Whoops.
watched me go.
Scott's instructing them over there on how to play. Who's winning? Or Kyle, you didn't take a turn yet? Is Jenna going to play too?
Yes, she's.
Oh, wow.
Did you end it?
Dawn and Jake and Jason in my enclosed back porch that I have all decorated
Yes, Jake suggested that you renovate this
Buffalo
so that you could have
check.
big parties back here.
Oh, really? Well, we did just renovate it, Jake, and had the floor painted, and decided to go with the black and white buffalo check, and I love it.
Put a card in your case.
No, I'm not. I guess my daughter doesn't like black and white buffalo
What does this
check
have to do with your birthday?
and lemons. Nothing. I'm trying to get the company,
Yeah, well, the viewers are
the
trying to figure out
family
how
in
your
the
party's
picture.
going out, what color your
Scott, it's lit up.
I don't know what Dawn is laughing at, but I'm sure it's
Stupid
me.
video. No.
Because they're saying, why am I taking a video of buffalo check?
No, Jake said, I'm sure her viewers are going to be very excited to see
Yes,
her
they
buffalo
are.
check.
Actually, buffalo checks are very popular, and my friends will like seeing it. And here's my pillow that says Porch, Sweet Porch. I have buffalo check blankets down there. I love this little arrangement. I bought that off of Etsy. Oh, let me go over here and show you this. Hold on. This is so cute. Look at this. Isn't this cute? It's an old-fashioned porcelain picture. And I have all little buffalo check. Little, I don't know what they are. Little pumpkins in there? I don't know. I love my buffalo checks. Oh, look at the pretty birthday cake. Very nice in those spring colors. Happy birthday, Baking Diva. No, happy birthday, Dolores. Aww. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dolores. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Don't say.
It's
Should I
only
make a wish?
3/4 of a
Should I
century.
make a wish?
Are you
Make a
what?
wish. Are you two?
Blow the candles.
Are you three? I'm making a wish. I'm thinking.
Actually, blowing is COVID. You can't do that.
Okay, all good things must come to an end. My birthday party is over, but I had a very nice time. I got all nice gifts. Let me show you a couple. Isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh, look at this thing. My girlfriend Kathy gave it to me. It's a gnome, an Easter bunny gnome, riding on a bicycle with a little basket of carrots. I just thought that was so cute. And she gave me these dish towels
You can see there's a theme here, a little gnome theme. I'll put these in my kitchen. And I got gift cards. And I got a nice pair of earrings and money and all kinds of fun things. It was a nice day. So I want to thank my hubby, Tim, for putting this little party together with my daughter, Dawn. Thank you, Dawn.
Oh, you're so welcome.
I know, she decorated. She has flowers and balloons and banners and all. She did a great job.
Yes.
Yeah, we took pictures. I'll insert them. And she made it very, very nice. When I first heard they were going to give me a party, and I said, well, where's it going to be? And they said, here. I went, what? A party here? That means a lot of work for me. And they said, no, no, no. Tim and Dawn are going to take care of everything. You don't have to do a thing. And they did. Dawn decorated. She bought stuff. Tim took care of things. Dawn cleaned up. And I'm a very lucky mama. So anyway, thank you, Tim. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you, everybody that came, my family and friends. I love you all. And I will see you on the next video. Toodles! Enjoyed this video? Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little bell till it says all. But more importantly, don't forget to come back. I really appreciate all of you. Toodles!